Hello everyone, I am Paramanand Dasar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Haryana. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic in financial markets and institutions, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. Today I will cover origin and history of Bombay Stock Exchange, growth of the Bombay Stock Exchange, and functioning of the Bombay Stock Exchange. Let us begin with what is Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. The Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE, is the first and largest securities market in India, and it was established in the year of 1875 as the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. Based in Mumbai, India, the BSE lists close to 6,000 companies and is one of the largest exchanges in the world, along with the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange Group, Japan Stock Exchange Group, and Shanghai Stock Exchanges. The BSE has helped develop India's capital markets, including the retail debt market, and has helped to grow the Indian corporate sector as well. The BSE is Asia's first stock exchange and also include an equities trading platform for small and medium enterprises. BSE has diversified into providing capital market services including clearing, settlement, and risk management. We will move to we will move to history and origin of Bombay Stock Exchange. It was established in the year 1875 as the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. The Bombay Stock Exchange BSE is Asia's first exchange and the largest securities market in India. The BSE has been instrumental in developing India's capital markets by providing an efficient platform for the Indian corporate sector to raise investment capital. The BSE is known for its electronic trading system that provides fast and efficient trade executions. The BSE enables investors to trade in equities, currencies, debt instruments, derivatives, and mutual funds. The BSE also provides other important capital market trading services such as risk management, clearing, settlement, and investors education. Then, if we see the working of the stock BSE, in 1985, the BSE switched from an open flow to an electronic trade system, that is online trading system. There are more than dozen electronic exchanges in the US, along with the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq being the most widely known. Today, electronic trading system dominate the financial industry overall, offering fewer errors, faster execution, and better efficiency than traditional open octroi trading system. Securities that the BSE lists include stocks, stock futures, stock options, index futures, index options, and weekly options. The BSE's overall performance is measured by the Sensex, a benchmark index of 30 of the BSE's largest and most actively traded stocks covering 12 sectors. Debuting in 1986, the Sensex is India's oldest stock index. Also called BSE 30, the index broadly represents the composition of India's entire market. Very important feature of BSE is Dalal Street. In Marathi, we can say that it's a broker or intermediary. The Bombay Stock Exchange is located on Dalal Street in downtown Mumbai, India. In the 1850s, stock brokers would conduct business under a banyan tree in front of Mumbai Town Hall, where Dalal Street is generally found. After a few decades of various meetings locations, Dalal Street was formally selected in 1874 as the location for the Native Share and Stockbrokers Association, the foreigner organization that would eventually becomes the BSE. Mumbai is now major financial center in India, and Dalal Street is home to large number of banks, investment firms, and related financial companies. The importance of Dalal Street to India is similar to that of Wall Street in United States. Indian investors and press will cite the investment activity of Dalal Street and will use it as a figure of speech to represent the Indian financial industry. The important terms which are used in BSE functions are BSE online trading, that is Bolt. Nowadays, Bolt means BSE is completely carrying out through online. All trading activities through online. Bolt is a system the members can now enter orders from trade work citations, that is TWS, installed in the official instead of assembling in the trading ring. Then second one is scripts groups. Trading on online board system is conducted from Monday to Friday between 9:55 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. The scripts traded on this exchange have been classified into A, B1, B2, F and Z groups. The F group represents the debt market, that is fixed income securities. The Z group in 1999 covers the companies which have failed to comply with listing requirements. Then very important third one is C group scripts. The exchange can also provide a facility to trade C groups, which covers the add lot securities in A, B1, B2 and two groups, and right renunciation in the groups of scripts in the equity segment. Then fourth one is exit route scheme. The C group can also be used by the investors for selling up to 500 shares in physical form. In respect of scripts companies where trades are to be compulsory settled by all investors in demat mode only. Then fifth one is permitted securities. BSE permits trading in the securities of companies which are listed on other stock exchanges under permitted securities category, which meet the relevant norms specified by the exchanges, so those are also permitted. Then closing price. The closing prices of scripts are computed on the basis of weighted average price of all traders in the last 15 minutes of continuous trading session. However, if there is no trade during that time, means the last 15 minutes, then the last trade price in the continuously trading session is taken as official closing price. The last one is compulsory rolling system. The trade made by the members in all securities in CRS compulsory rolling system are now settled by payment of money and delivery of securities on T plus 3 basis. T plus 3 means trading day plus 3 days for settlement. So these are my references: Dr. G.B. Balegar, Indian Financial Systems; Ashok Prakashan Hubli; Bharti V. Pathak, The Indian Financial Systems, Markets, Institutions and Services, Pierce Education, New Delhi; Moik Khan, Indian Financial Systems, TMH New Delhi, Bhole and Jitendra Mahakur, Financial Institutions and Markets New Delhi, T. Siddhaya, Financial Services, PHI New Delhi. This is all about my references, and this is all about Bombay Stock Exchanges. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.